Viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from JEE Main 2023. The distance of the point 7 comma minus 3 comma minus 4 from the plane passing through the points. The 3 points are given. So here a plane is passing through 3 points. So equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear point, 3 points x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3. This is the equation of the plane. X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x1, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, z2 minus z1, z3 minus z1, and that is equal to 0. So in determinant, now we have the point which are given here: 2 minus 3 1, minus 1 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4 and 2. Putting these values here, x minus x1, so x minus 2, y minus y1, y minus minus plus 3, and z minus z1. Z1 is here 1, so z minus 1. Now x2 minus x1, so x2 minus x1, x2 is this, x1 is 2, and y2 minus y1, y2 is 1, and y1 is plus minus 3, so this will become plus, and z2 minus z1, z2 is minus 2 and z1 is 1. Now x3 minus x1, so this is 3 minus 2, y3 minus y1, so this is minus 4 minus minus plus, and z2 minus z3 minus z1, so 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Solving this, x minus 2, y plus 3, z minus 1, and this become minus 3, 4 minus 3, this become 1, this become minus 1, and this become 1, equal to 0. Now expanding this, x minus 2, this is 4 minus 3 minus y plus 3 into minus 3, and this is minus minus plus, again minus 3, so minus 3 minus, and this plus, because minus minus plus. Now z plus z minus 1, and it is 3 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So x minus 2, this becomes 0, and this is minus z plus 1 equal to 0. So equation of the plane is x minus z minus 1 equal to 0. And comparing with this, ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is 0, c is minus 1, and d is minus 1 also. So distance of the plane x minus z minus 1 equal to 0 from the point, here point is given to us 7 comma minus 3 comma minus 4, and this is d equal to a x1 b y1 c z1 plus d over under root of a square plus b square plus c square, and this is in mode. So we put the value here 1 into 7, here 0 B is 0, so minus 3, and C is minus 1 into Z1 is minus 4, and D is minus 1 upon under root 1 square 1 square. So this becomes 7 plus 4 minus 1 upon under root 2, which is 10 upon root 2, and this become under root 10 under root 2 upon 2. So this is 5 root 2. So distance is 5 root 2, which is found in option C. Therefore option C is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.